Very famous YouTubers Dhruv Rathi and KK Create confidently claimed themselves as atheists. It immediately set a negative image of them in my mind, and I concluded that they are from very affluent family. They have not seen enough hardship to believe in God. But I still remember an English teacher calling himself as atheist very boldly. But I don't think he hasn't faced any hardship. की वजह से मुझे एक question arise हुआ कि why people call themselves or actually become atheists. Little bit of researching and thinking, here's what I have concluded. Religion basically needs faith and tradition, but analytical thinking leads to questioning and logic evidence, which actually can be found in tradition like Hinduism. But they still prefer atheism because of the further points. Exposure breaks the default belief. जब हम दूसरे cultures, religion और ideologies को देखते हैं, तब ये हमारे अंदर curiosity, question और doubt अपने religion के खिलाफ अराइज करता है और अगर ये अच्छे से कॉन्फ्रेंट नहीं किए जाते then we start feeling detachment from our own religion. दूसरी बात है कि कंट्रोल reduces dependence on faith. जब किसी के पास फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी होती है, करियर क्लैरिटी होती है, they are full of life. They do not need prayers for their outcomes. They do not need a god or any idol for emotional stability because they think I can manage my outcomes. Another reason could be ego. When people start winning in their life, they develop a mindset that I create my outcomes, and this reduces belief on destiny, divine intervention. It might not always be arrogance, it could be that their action creates the results and not their luck. It might be also because they do not find satisfying answer to these questions like why do suffering exist? Why bad thing happens to the good people? Why are there so many contradictions between different religions? Obviously, there are answers to such questions in religion like Hinduism and Buddhism, but if not searched properly, they lead to atheism. What do you think? What are the other reasons people are becoming atheists? And also comment which religion do you follow. Thank you for watching, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe my channel. It motivates me a lot.